Hi, hello guys, welcome back to Shortkit. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a new applications in Canva. Canva is a new editing tool for editing posters, banners, for everything. We can use Canva. There, we can be creating account in Canva. We can make some commission for anyone purchase Canva from your product link. So you can make some money from the product sales. Just go to Google. Before going to topic, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video. First of all, what you have to do, just go to Google, click on CN Canva. I already have a Canva account, that's why I'm trying to use another browser. After going to a browser, search canva.com. After clicking Canva, I want to create an affiliate account. I don't want to use this thing. Go to search bar, create. I want to create a new affiliation link on Canva. To create an account in Canva, click on this about Canva and affiliation link. Now we know top search bar http://about.com Canva about canva.com affiliate. Like this, here we have to create a new affiliation account in Canva. Just affiliate and money with Canva Pro. Share the power of good design. Join the Canva Pro affiliation. We are going to registration affiliate promote Canva and start earning from how much you are going to earn by creating affiliate account in Canva. Like earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that sign up with our unique referral link. We offer regular and flexible payments. These are the payment job when every new customer creates account with your affiliation, your promo. So you are going to make it $36 on this Canva account. Like I want to join this right now. Just click on join now. After clicking join, you enter your username and password. So name, first name and last name. Enter your email ID. And I already had an account with Shortkit.com. is already associated account on Impact platform. I want to create by using Impact account. I'm going to create a new Canva account. Just click on login. Enter username, password for you. And I'm entering my Canva password. And click sign in. I am created a new Canva account. Now select media partner applying to brand. Here associated to multiple account. Please already have so many accounts in this account. And what I'm doing is campaign name Canva and name Shortkit. And select and apply. Like now we are in review Canva insertion order. Action looking 1 month 15 days after end of the month they are tracked. There are some of the invoice acting are invoiced in 17th of month of every log. Payout schedule approved transaction as paid 15 days after the end of the day log. A credit policy like last click. Allow referrals from click within 30 days, referrals from impression. These are some of the features how you are going to make money from Canva products. Like a subscription charge like 20%, 80% on US dollars. Like these are some of the item monthly plan and these are some promotional items are there. You just go through each and every step. I'm not going to going to explain everything. Just this is the 15 pages terms and condition. After, if you want to read, you can read the terms and condition by clicking here. You can download, save it in local system, and I approve and contract. I want to continue this terms and condition. Just click that, but it will accept your accepting the terms and condition given by the like a Canva or Impact. Now we have successfully created a Canva account. We are ready to promote this thing. Let me check it was approved or not. Till now didn't upload. Let me check my email how to activate the account once. I got a mail from Canva contract application. Hi Praveen, your request to promote Canva Private Limited Company has been sent. You may view all pending contracts by clicking button. Just click this button. You're going to log in your own Canva page. Enter username and password here. And password here. And click sign in button. Oh, it was not login. One second, I have to try. Quick. A proposal is in review. It will take some time to review your application. After reviewing your application, they are going to approve your affiliation account. Like these are the things I have to apply for Canva. Right now, today, yesterday I applied for a Namecheap, and Namecheap they got approved Namecheap. Like today I applied for Praveen, like a HostGator, and this like Canva. I'm waiting. Already approved my Namecheap account. Now they will have to approve my Praveen, like a HostGator and a Canva account today. And I apply one more thing, hosting like domain.com. I should be also approve. They also have to approve that thing also same. So this is the simple and easiest way to create an account. If you create an account in Canva and to make extra recurring amount from your blog, like your blog promoting Canvas. Nowadays everybody is using Canva, like creating a great design. Photoshop is very difficult for bloggers. Photoshop was used by a professional, but we are not professional. Once we create a logo, we use logos and everything. We used to implement the Canva. Canva is the best tool to use. One more best tool is Trello, but Trello is a little bit expensive than Canva. Before anything, if there when I got any offer, promotion offer, I'll even the link description below. Go through link and get the offer and use this Canva. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe button, like this video and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.